Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain one more example of methods. In previous video, I explained what is method, what is the purpose of method, and categories of methods, and one example of first category and method components. In this video, I am going to explain one more example of first category. First category name is methods with arguments and with return value. I explained already. Methods are used to perform the task. For example, one task. Integer array operator A equal to array of elements. Five elements array. Here, these array of elements I want to add and the result I want to return. That is my task. For that, one method. Method name add elements. Integer array operator something x. After adding all elements, result will be integer type. So return type int. This category name is methods with arguments and with return value. See here, add elements is a method which takes arguments, which returns one value integer type. Now, here we have to add array of elements and we have to return result. For that, integer total equal to 0. First initially total value 0. We have to iterate array of elements one by one and we have to add to total. For that, one for loop, integer I equal to 0 because array index starts with 0. I less than x dot length. Here no need to count how many elements are present in array. If you call length variable, automatically comes. I plus plus. In this for loop, one element we have to add to total. So total equal to total plus x of I. One element added to total. After termination of for loop, we have to write return total. Now, add elements is a method which will add elements to total and returns total. This is a method. It is first category method. Method with arguments and with return value. Okay. This method I want to call. Now, it is a instance method. Instance method you can access in two ways. First one by using object. Second one by using object reference. Suppose first one by using object. It is a method defined in demo class. So add elements is a method defined in demo class. It is a member of demo class. That's what demo class object required. Demo d equal to new demo. If you write like this, demo class object created, that object referred by d. With object also you can call, with object reference also you can call. First I'll show you with object. With object means only like this. New demo. New demo means object created. This type of object is called anonymous object. We can also call unreferenced object. With this object also we can call method. So new demo dot add elements. Here we can pass a and after adding elements it returns total. the total we have to receive. That's what integer x equal to. Now system dot out dot println x. Now what will be happen? See here, demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed. Here 5 elements array created. That array referred by A. This A contains hash code, and here demo object created. With this object add elements called A hash code copied in X, and here one element added to total return total value copied in this X. This X is going to be printed. Now how it is going to be executed, with a diagram also explain. See, demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed. Here 5 elements array created. 5 elements array created. See the diagram. 5 elements array. Now see, first element 5, second element 3, third element 1, fourth element 9, fifth element 5. Array index starts with 0. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this one array created. In Java, array itself an object. It is an array object. Integer array object. This object referred by A. This A contains hash code. This A contains hash code. Array contains elements. Array reference contains hash code. After this, new demo class object created for calling add elements method. Add elements method called. Here A. This A copied in X. This A copied in X. A contains hash code. So this A copied in X. So in X also hash code stored. This hash code refers this object. This hash code only copied here. This hash code only copied here. That's what it is also refers same object. This array can be accessed in a main method by using array reference A. In a add elements method by using X. Array reference is X here. Now first total equal to 0. So total value 0. Starting total value 0. After this, int I equal to 0. So I value 0. 0. I less than x dot length. Length 5 elements are there. Automatically 5 comes. So I less than x dot length. That means 0 less than 5. It is true. Then it will enter into loop. Total equal to total plus x of I. Total is 0. X of I. X of I. That is 5. This is 5. This 5 added to total. Then total becomes 5. Now after this, I plus plus. I incremented by 1. So I value 1. After this, I less than x dot length. So 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. Again it is true. Then it will enter into for loop. Total equal to total plus x of 1. Total is 5. X of 1. X of 1 is 3. This 3 added to total. So 5 becomes 8. After this, I becomes 2. I becomes 2. Here again 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. It is also true. Then again it will enter into for loop. Now again total equal to total plus x of 2. Total is 8. X of 2 is 1. Now 8 plus 1. It becomes 9. After this, again I becomes 3. Again 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. It is true. If it is true, it will enter into for loop. Now total equal to total plus x of 3. X of 3 is 9. 9 plus 9. It becomes 18. It becomes 18. After this, I becomes 4. Now 4 less than 5. It is true. Again it will enter into loop. Total equal to total plus x of 4. X of 4 is 5. This 5 added to total. Total 18. 18 plus 5. 23. Now I becomes 5. Again 5 less than 5. Condition false. Then for loop terminated. Whenever for loop terminated, return total. This total is going to be stored in this x variable. In this x, it is another x. This x is a local variable in add elements method. This x is a local variable in a main method. So total copied in x. This 23 copied in x. Here x variable, this 23 copied here. Now system.out.println x. This 23 is going to be printed. If I compile and execute this program, output will be 23. See the output. File, save. Compilation, javac demo.java. Execution, java demo. See, output is 23. See, in this program, add elements method is a instance method. Instance method means member of a class. It is a member of demo class. There are two ways to access an instance method. One is by using object and one more by using object reference. Here I called with object. We can also call with object reference. See, demo d equal to new demo. Here object created, this object referred by D. With this D also we can call. It is object reference dot add elements. It is also valid. Now see, file, save. I'll compile successfully, executed successfully, we got a same output. And one more thing here, not only this for loop, we can use while loop also, we can use do while loop also, we can use enhanced for loop also. Enhanced for loop introduced in JDK 1.5 version to iterate array elements. See, enhanced for loop how to use, just for you have to write here integer something y colon x. In this, just total equal to total plus y. If you write like this, from this x is a array reference, it refers array of elements. From that array, one element copied in y, that y will be added to total. This is automatically done. This is more convenient for programmers. X refers one array. From that array, one element copied in y, that y will be added to total, and total returned and copied in x and printed. See, like this also you'll get a same output. File, save, compilation, execution. See, same output. See, once again I'll show you execution flow. Demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed. Here 5 elements array created, that array referred by A, that A contains hash code. Here object created for demo class, that object referred by D. With the D, add elements method called. Here A passed, that A received here, nothing but hash code copied. Here this A copied in X, this A copied in X, that means hash code copied in X. Then this statement becomes integer array operator X equal to A, the hash code copied in X, integer total equal to 0. This X refers array. From that one element copied in Y, the Y will be added to total. At last, total return. Return total stored in X. This total copied in X. Then this statement becomes integer X equal to total. This is the reason only we are calling this methods with arguments with return value. With arguments and with return value. Here array of elements are not copied, just hash code copied. With that hash code only we can access array of elements. Okay.